Hey guys, just got a box from Titan Fitness. Let's see what's in it. Taped up pretty well here. Let's cut it so we can unbag it. Two pins with the cotter pins, self-retaining cotter pins. More tape. So this is an 1.5 inch pull-up bar for my T-3 41-inch folding rack. The reason I got this is because the rack comes standard with a 2-inch thick pull-up bar, and it's a little bit tougher to hang on to. This will be easier to grip and to do pull-ups, especially for my wife. No, I'm lying, it's really for me. Let's check it out a little bit closer. Okay, here's the finish as it comes to you. Take a look at the welds as well. Looks like they were going for some type of a knurl here, doesn't it? Here's the finish at the other side. And the weld. You can see here the welds are just on the outside of the bracket. It's not penetrated. Holes are laser cut or drilled. I don't know. Just making it up. Here's the finish on the first bracket there. This is brand new out of the box. Here's how it comes to you. Okay, that's what you would expect. Should you order one? Let's see. Yeah, right. That is through to bare metal. And there's another. Apologize for the focus here. There's another spot there. And you can see again the welds are not quite through, which is looks like by design there. So there you go, 1.25 inch pull-up bar for the Titan T3 rack by Titan Fitness. Looks a bit twisted on camera, but it's actually not. It's straight. Let's go try it on the rack. Okay, we're upstairs in my loft gym. And I laid out the old pull-up bar and the new one. So the old one is 2 inches. And the new one is 1.25 inches. 2 inches 1.25 inches. Let's put on the rack and see how it goes. Okay, the bar went on with no issues, just like the old one, or the original 2-inch one, I should say. So let's try a couple pull-ups and see how it feels. Pretty good. No complaints. Feels like a pull-up bar should, I guess. I prefer even a little bit thinner, but it's an improvement over the old one. So that's it.